In this video, we listed the top 5 best watch for man that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Golden Hour Fashion Business Men's Watch. If you're looking for a stylish everyday timepiece that combines elegance with practical features, the Golden Hour Fashion Business Men's Watch is an excellent choice. Designed with a sleek black dial and durable stainless steel bracelet, this watch delivers a premium business look that's equally suitable for casual and formal occasions. It features a reliable Japanese quartz movement for accurate timekeeping, functional chronograph subdials, an auto-date display, and a scratch-resistant mineral glass face. With 3 atmospheres 30-meter water resistance, it can handle everyday splashes and rain, while the secure fold-over clasp with double push-button safety ensures a comfortable and dependable fit. Whether you're heading to the office, attending a meeting, or dressing up for a night out, this fashionable chronograph watch offers the perfect blend of style, durability, and everyday performance. Number 2. Citizen Men's Luxury Solar Chronograph Watch. The Citizen Men's Luxury Solar Chronograph Watch combines refined craftsmanship with reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for both business and everyday wear. Featuring an elegant ivory guilloche dial, genuine brown calfskin leather strap, and silver-toned stainless steel case, this timepiece delivers a sophisticated yet sporty appearance. Powered by advanced Japanese solar quartz technology, it eliminates the need for regular battery replacements while providing accurate timekeeping. The watch includes a 1.5-second chronograph capable of measuring up to 60 minutes, a convenient date display, and 12 24-hour time format for added functionality. Luminous hands and a durable mineral crystal ensure excellent visibility and protection, while its 100-meter, 330-foot water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and daily activities. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this watch offers a perfect blend of luxury, durability, and modern functionality for the stylish gentleman. Number 3. OLEVS Automatic Skeleton Watch. The OLEVS Automatic Skeleton Watch for men is a luxury-inspired timepiece that blends sophisticated craftsmanship with reliable mechanical performance. Powered by a self-winding automatic movement featuring 21 joules and over 45 hours of power reserve, this watch operates using the natural motion of your wrist, no battery required. Its striking 41mm blue skeleton dial showcases the intricate movement inside, complemented by elegant Roman numerals, sparkling crystal accents, and convenient month and date display windows for a refined, premium appearance. Crafted with a polished, white gold-toned stainless steel bracelet and secure butterfly double-snap clasp, the watch offers exceptional comfort and durability for everyday wear. Additional features include luminous hands for easy reading in low light and 3 atmospheres, 30-meter water resistance to protect against everyday splashes. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the OLEVS Automatic Skeleton Watch is an excellent choice for business, formal occasions, or anyone seeking a stylish mechanical watch with timeless elegance and modern functionality. Number 4. Casio A158WA1DF Digital Watch. The Casio A158WA1DF Digital Watch is a timeless classic that combines retro style with reliable everyday functionality. Featuring a sleek silver-toned stainless steel bracelet and a compact octagonal black digital display, this iconic watch delivers a vintage look that never goes out of fashion. Powered by a dependable quartz movement, it offers accurate timekeeping along with practical features, including an LED backlight, daily alarm, stopwatch, and glow-in-the-dark display for easy visibility in low light. The lightweight resin case and secure fold-over clasp provide lasting comfort for all-day wear. Its water-resistant design protects against everyday splashes and rain, making it ideal for daily use, though it is not intended for swimming or diving. Perfect for casual outfits, work, or travel, The Casio A158WA-1DF is an affordable, durable, and stylish digital watch that remains a favorite for watch enthusiasts of all ages. Number 5. OLEVS Men's Automatic Skeleton Watch. The OLEVS Men's Automatic Skeleton Watch blends luxury design with precision mechanical craftsmanship. Featuring a striking blue skeleton dial, diamond hour markers, and multifunction displays for the year, month, date, 24-hour time, and moon phase, it delivers both elegance and practicality. Powered by a self-winding automatic movement with no battery required, it also offers a durable two-tone stainless steel bracelet, luminous hands, and 30-meter water resistance, making it an excellent choice for business, formal occasions, or everyday wear.